Hey y'all, I'm Mavis and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. And yeah, today I'm going to show you how I use like normal braids and to make the distressed locks. And while you're at it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get on with the video. As you can see here, I used 2 packs of the Ultra Xpression braids in the color number 1, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna cut the hair into 2 because we're gonna make, like, since it's shoulder length, I had to like cut the hair into 2, as you can see here. Then I'll go ahead and use the flexi rods to actually curl the hair. After I'm done, it's just I put it into hot water to achieve the curl pattern for the distressed locks. And the result that you get is this curly hair here, and here's like a close look of the curly hair. And I started with just plaiting my hair into like I started like with a 3-strand braid and then finished down with the twists, because I just wanted to have like a grip at the base of the hair, at the root or base of the hair, and then just finish it up with the twist to ensure like it's a little bit, tight at the root, but it's not too tight, So pretty much that's what I did on my whole entire head. Then after that, it's pretty easy. It's time to install after that. And yeah, it's straightforward, very straightforward. So here we have the curly hair that we pre-curled before. As you can see here, I have colored hair, so for it not to show, I had to wrap the other part of the curly hair around it to just ensure that it's covered. Otherwise, if you have like black hair, it won't really show, so you don't need to actually curl it around your hair. But yeah, pretty much that's it. No braid underneath, easy peasy and very, very light. So as you can see, I just secured at the root, and then to form those loops, I use my finger to hold, then wrap the hair around it to ensure the loop is in place. And that's how I do my distressed locks. Pretty easy, pretty much, yeah. That's how I did it. This hair it's quite soft, nice, and very light, very, very light. You do not need like a braid underneath so that you do the whatever. You can just use the curly braids on them by themselves, or if you do not want to go through the hassle of curling the hair, you can just buy curly hair, pretty much, or yeah, curly hair. So as you can see, I am wrapping and pulling it upwards just to secure it, otherwise it's just gonna unravel, which is something we would not need at the moment, So when we reach at the base, we fold it up to the desired length, then wrap it upwards pretty much, and that's just about it.